Oh man, this battery's dying too. Mother. All right, check it out. We back. So I just got a care package from Babyliss. They sent your boy the new Low Pro FX limited edition. As y'all can see, we got it gold plated. Check that out. Ultra low profile metal shield cover, high performance motor. We got 6,800 RPMs, lithium ion battery. The clipper has 2.5 hours of runtime. Trimmer has 4 hours of runtime. Gold titanium fade blade. So the difference between this one and the other Low Pros is this one actually has the fade blade on it, and the old Low Pros, the black Low Pros, has the black wedge blade. But we're probably gonna get us a go today. But check it out. That ain't the only thing we got. We got something else. We got the limited FX boost right here. We got the chameleon paint. Y'all see the color change? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Check that out. Comes with the charging docks already. Let's read the back of this. So this one comes with a chameleon fade blade, a higher speed than the regular FX. This is the Boost FX once again, so it's got the Boost motor in it. And then it's got the click lever, and then the trimmer's got a chameleon titanium deep tooth T-blade, 7,200 RPMs for the trimmer. Got the rubber grips, you know what I'm saying? It's got all that good stuff. So we're gonna put these things to use. Check it out. I'm probably gonna actually open this one up first because I'm a big fan of the Low Pro, so let's go ahead and open up this one first. Open that up. Check it out. So here's the Low Pro clipper, the limited gold edition. We got the gold fade blade on there. We're gonna put this thing to work today. And then here's the trimmer. So this trimmer has the gold FX blade. The other one has the DLC 2.0 blade, and this one has the gold one, so check it out. Here's my original Low Pro trimmer. As y'all can see, it's got the DLC 2.0 blade, and then here is the gold Low Pros. We got the gold blade, so it's gonna hit, you know what I'm saying? I already know the gold blade hits, so we're gonna put this thing to use also. And I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Check it out one more time. The Low Pro Gold Edition, limited edition set right here. Let's get it. Oh yeah? He's finna be on YouTube now.
And flag? There's y'all the flag, right? But you didn't watch at all?
So you found me on YouTube?
That's your little homie.
Yeah, you been watching it? You're gonna be on YouTube next. Yeah.
He had like 7 touchdowns.
Oh, look, it's you. Oh, my goodness. Oh!
I know you just put that up.
Nope, it's been on.
No, I know you put that up.
Gonna be YouTube famous, man.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so check it out once again. Here is the Low Pro FX limited edition. As y'all can see, it's nice and gold. We got the clipper and trimmer combo. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out the box for y'all. Once again, did it earlier, but I put it back in the box. That way I can bring it home and talk about this a little bit. So once again, let me take this out of here. So we're gonna take this out. So here is the clipper, as y'all can see. Got a little shine due to my light, but y'all can see, get a good idea of how that looks right there. We got the gold fade blade on there. We got the clicks on the lever. There's that bad boy on. That is the clipper, and then here is the trimmer. So here's the trimmer right here. We got the gold FX blade on there. So as y'all can see, we got the gold FX blade on there. She hums nice, man, but let's go ahead and look at what else comes in the box, because I don't think I did a full unboxing earlier. So this is what's underneath the clippers. So we got a set of guards, not the premium guards, the original guards that Babyliss came out with. We got some oil, a screwdriver, a little cleaning brush, and then we got some more guards, the 1 and the 1/16, I believe. And then we got 2 chargers, one for the clipper and then one for the trimmer. Put that down to the side. Then we got the zero gapping tool right here. And then we got the little pamphlet and stuff. I might keep the sticker, but the pamphlet, y'all know I ain't even gonna look at, so we'll chunk that to the side. And that's basically all that comes with the Low Pro FX limited edition. So let's go ahead and put this stuff back in the box. So now that y'all seen what comes in the box, let's go ahead and start talking about the clipper. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all guys. This thing performs almost identically to the original Low Pro. So one of the only differences I can see from it is we have a gold body. Instead of it being black, we have a gold plated body here. And then we have the fade blade on here, as y'all can see. I am a big fan of fade blades. I do like this blade on this clipper. And I did put the black fade blade on my other set of Low Pros. So with that being said, y'all know your boy likes fade blades. So I like the way this works, you know what I'm saying? And once again, it works almost identically to the original. The only difference is, once again, like I said, we have a gold face plate right here, and then we got the gold fade blade. Other than that, I would say it works almost identically to the original Low Pros. I believe it's just limited edition because it's gold and it comes in a set. And then here is the trimmer. Same thing with the trimmer, guys. Only difference I can tell is we got gold faceplate, and then we got the gold FX blade on here opposed to the black DLC 2.0 blade. But if you have these clippers, you know how they work. I've seen a lot of people actually put this blade on the Low Pros anyway, so I really like that they went ahead and put this on here for us. I know some people like this blade better than the DLC blade, but you know, it's to each his own. But nonetheless, these things work really good. You already know how Babyliss does it. I feel that they always come out with great tools. And me personally, I like these a lot. You can buy them just for a collector's edition, or if you want to put them to use like I am. It's all up to you. I'm not saying you need to buy them. If you got a set of Low Pros, you really don't need these. But if you're extra and you're bougie like me, you might want to cop these things. I'm not 100% sure when these things do drop, but when they do drop, remember guys, you can use my discount code TANK10. Save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But once again, they're not a must cop. I'm just glad that Dennis went ahead and sent these things to me because I really like the Low Pros. The Low Pro is probably one of my favorite clippers right now. And now that I got it in gold with the gold fade blade, I'm rocking with it, you know what I'm saying? I really like this trimmer also, man. It hits really, really well. I enjoy using it. And Babyliss, they're making noise again, man. They're shaking the game up again. But with that being said, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.